Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets and first you draw A. And here is blue color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use blue color and draw. D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan. Kids, again use blue color and draw. G for cart, G for glass, H for hand, H for helicopter, I for eyes, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J for joker, J for jackfruit, and here is yellow color. K for kite, K for king, L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest. Kids, again use yellow color and draw. O for orange, O for octopus, P for parrot, P for penguin, Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids, now draw R for rose, R for rice, and here is red color. S for sun, S for snack, T for teacher, T for tiger, U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, again use red color and draw. V for van, V for vanilla, W for wallet, W for watch, X for x-ray, X for telephone, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids, now draw numbers and first draw 1, and here is black color. 2, 3, the numbers of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kids, again use black color and draw. 9, 10, T, E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.